Today I'll be going to the railway at my to get my train card, so I'll be able to board a train anytime I wish to. And in this video I just want you all to follow me as I go, and also make videos of the place, how it looks like, and what I'll be saying, the advantage and probably the disadvantage as well. So don't be in a hurry to leave this video, because there's a lot we are going to explore today. Before going to the railway, I decided to check up on my friend Emeka, who also needs this card to board a train. This is me at Emeka's house. Unfortunately, by the time I got to his house, Emeka was not around. I only met his junior ones, who I asked about him, and they all told me he left earlier before I arrived at his place. From Emeka place to the railway, it's not much far, so I decided to trek. And this is me trekking on the road and also feeling myself at the same time, while I also make videos for you guys. So currently now I'm at the railway station at the stairs to go and get my own card, and I'm already tired because I've been trekking from a very kind of far place, and it's really hot right now, so I just want to rest. Then we'll continue the journey. So I'm at the entrance now, about to get my card, and obviously this is the railway station. Very fine. At this point, I was called by the security, who was asking me questions. Why was I making a video? What was my reason for being there? And why am I just walking up and down? But basically, I explained to the woman that I came to get a card. And also, in my response, I told her that I'm making this video so I could post it on YouTube, so that people could also see the new railway in Lagos, Nigeria. But obviously, it seems that video recording wasn't allowed, and for no reason, I don't know. But so, not to get things messed up, I played along. I told her, fine, I won't make videos anymore. I will just get my card and leave as soon as I'm done. But she wasn't rude anyways. She only just gave me some reasons, which are people should not be seen loitering around or moving around without any reason. So this is me right here at the counter purchasing my card. The guy at the counter told me that the card costs 500 naira and the maximum recharge is 10,000, but I did 500 instead. What time does the train leave? Like first train? 6:30. Do I get to sit down or I'll stand? Like if I'm leaving in the morning. Okay. So if I come early, I will be able to get a seat. Do you have an idea how much it costs from here to Marina? 375 naira. Wow, that's cheap. Is that all? So I got my card under less than a minute, so very fast. So I've gotten my card and leaving. So this is. On the next episode, I'll be making a video of me boarding the train, and that would definitely be my first time of boarding a train ever. See you on my next video. Keep it locked up.